I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away?
Hi.
What do you want?
I've come to tell you that I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you last night.
So?
I just want to know if there's any way I can assist you in your stuffs.
I don't need your help anymore.
Why? Are you still angry?
I am not angry, I just don't need your help.
But you're the one who needed my assistance, so you have to forget the past and get to what you want first.
Well, news flash. I'm in my second degree if you think I'm a beginner. Huh?
That's the more reason you need my assistance.
I don't want your assistance anymore.
Are you sure?
No, stay there.
Okay. Like that picture. So nice.
I don't want now.
Okay, it's okay.
What is this?
I'm so sorry.
Good morning. How was your night? I'm off to work.
Ugo, you won't believe this. I spent the whole of yesterday lecturing her on those areas she was having problem in her course.
Wow. Now she has seen the stuff you're made of. She will start respecting you.
Ugo, she saw me this morning and greeted me with so much respect and regards.
I love that. I love that. But that is just the beginning. But you still have to be very careful with her.
Don't worry yourself about that. I'm not her boss. I am now her master. You know, she has no power over me again.
Yeah, I believe you. But hope we are coming to our office tomorrow.
Yes, we will have some records to take there. I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright.
You take care, oh? My man, let her now.
Brother.
I'm not her boss.
Okay.
She has no power over me again.
Alright.
Yeah.
Mom, when is Choma going to leave this house? Time has come for her to leave.
Ask your father that question. Because he is the only reason Choma is still here.
Mom, I can't take it any longer. She has to leave.
Well, discuss it with your father. Okay?
I need space in this house. She has to leave. At all cost.
Is there any problem?
Ask your son.
Sherry, what's the matter?
Daddy, I was saying it is time for Choma to leave this house. Let her go meet her brother elsewhere, or wherever he is. I do not know why she's still staying here with us. For how long? She's big enough, Dad. And I have been saying this all this while. I need to use her bedroom as my reading room.
Really? I see. If I may ask, whose house are you talking about?
My father's house, of course.
Oh.
It is my inheritance.
Really? Cherry, if you need a reading room, go and do that with us.
Mommy, Mommy, did you just... Mom, I really do not want to be provoked. Mommy, if anybody pushes me to take any action in this house, it is going to be disastrous, I swear. Mommy, do something. Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you headed to?
My mom's office. Oh.
Okay.
What happened? The other day you told me you didn't come again.
Tina, I'm sorry. She's my auntie. That woman does not allow me go anywhere anymore. She wouldn't let me go out. I wanted to come that day. But she didn't let me come out.
So let me tell you. Each time you thought about your staying in that house, you won't allow that woman to always enslave you.
Hey, where will I go to now? I don't have anywhere else to go to, you know that. I just have to stay there.
Why don't you tell your brother to talk to his master? Maybe you move in with them.
It's not possible and you know it too. There is no possibility there. Cha. I'll just wait for him to save up enough money and rent an apartment for me like he promised. That's what I would do.
Anyway, you have to endure.
What will I do now? I have to endure. Don't worry, I'll come and see you, oh?
No problem. You'll take care of it. Looking so good.
Thank you. See how I went to the market now? This is sexy girl goes to market.
I tell you, no worry. We'll talk later.
Sexy
okay?
market day. Okay.
Take care of yourself.
No problem. I don't understand this your shoe. Eh? Why are you wearing heel like this on the way now?
You don't know what's up now.
Ha! You don't even have a car wearing shoe. You are trekking with shoe. Okay. Hey.
Where did you go? Auntie who? Eh? Auntie what? I sent you to the market to buy me few things 3 hours ago. Look at when I'm coming back. Just look at when you just came back. Eh? Where exactly did you go to?
I didn't go anywhere else, so...
You didn't go where? Fool! Listen, cook this food because I'm hungry. Ewu.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do you choose for me to cry? I'm asking you, why do you turn your back on me?
Morning.
Good evening.
Hi.
How's your day?
Good.
I just came. Okay, I went for shopping today and I decided to get you something little as an appreciation for everything you've done for me. I mean, my studies. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me allow you. I know you had a busy day. Alright, good night.
Thank you.
And I hope you like it. I have taste, trust me, you like it.
Does she have to dress like that, knowing fully well that she's coming to see me? Why won't she dress that way? Lucky, I thought Oga has left for office.
No, he's still inside.
Okay, see you in the evening, eh?
Chita, hold on. There's something I would like to talk to you about.
Okay.
It's about Oga's daughter.
What about her?
You see, lately, I've seen how close she has been coming to you. And I've come to take you as a friend.
I'm only telling you to be careful with her, so she doesn't drag into problem one day.
Why are you talking like this? I'm not doing anything with her.
I understand. That's why I'm telling you to be careful.
It's okay, I've heard. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the evening.
It's alright. Take care.
Alpha.
I got that.
Oh, come on, get that.
I look for a game. I look for a game.
Look your game. Now here you dey finish your salary.
What you want me to do now?
Now here you dey take finish. After you dey beg money.
See, this thing.
Open gate.
Now only Nigerian youth empowerment be this. You don't understand.
Open gate. You want finish all your money.
No. Hey, give me my game. Big up. Give me. No. Hey, no. These are this thing. What you say? Take my life. Hey, leave this game. My 2 million. Very soon I go enter. I go hammer.
Who is that?
It's Wendy.
Oh, a minute.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Are you just coming back from work?
Yeah, I'm just coming back.
Oh, okay. I thought you came back earlier than now.
No, I'm just coming back.
Alright, I'll check on you later.
It's okay.
Okay.
I've seen how close she had been coming to you. And I've come to take you as a friend. I'm only telling you to be careful with her, so she doesn't drag into problem one day.
Why are you talking like this? I'm not doing anything with her.
I understand. That's why I'm telling you to be careful.
Wow.
Honey,
Wow.
What is it?
This young man, Cheta, look at. He designed a spreadsheet for the management of personnel and accounting. Wow. For my company. With this kind of spreadsheet, there is no way any kobo can miss in this company. Can you imagine this?
Wow. This is very good.
This man has so much managerial competence. And on top of that, look at the spreadsheet. The accounting is super. And in fact, I'm getting a report that he knows how to carry his workers along. They all have respect for him. That guy is good.
He is.
Wow.
He's really good. A nice boy with good home training.
Yes, it shows. It shows. He's so hardworking. In fact, with the rate with which he's going, I think I'm going to consider him for a managerial position in my company.
Onny?
Yes.
Isn't that too much for him?
No. He's so honest, transparent, industrious. Let me watch him for another 1 month. I think I'll make my right decision after then.
It's okay. The boy is really good.
Yeah.
When he told me he has been helping her with her courses, all the courses she had problem with, he just helped her through all of them.
Yeah, Wendy told me. Yeah, she told me. By the way, where is Wendy? I've not seen her since I came.
She should be in her room. Yes.
Okay. Let me study this spreadsheet some more.
Let's see some more.
Okay, see the summary. Everything well captured.
Wow.
corporate debts, even the list of all the debtors in the company. The amounts they are owing.
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, there are other ways of solving this equation, but this is the simplest of them all.
Okay.
Is there another question?
No, I'm just sure. Oh,
sorry.
I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, but okay. Okay, I understand.
You're good with it, right?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. Then, since you got the whole thing, then well, true.
Yeah, we're true.
Okay.
There's something I want to tell you.
Okay, come on. If there's something you don't understand, then go ahead. Which one?
I've been having this feeling. I don't even know how to say it. I really like you. As a matter of fact, I love you.
What?
I send you die.
Please, you have to stop this, okay? Do you know the implication of what you just said? I'm not, please, I'm not just interested, please.
Why? Am I not beautiful? Don't you like
come
me?
on, stop this. Just go, okay? Just go, I'll send for you.
Look at me. Look at me.
Go, I'll send for you, okay? Just go.
Promise? You promise?
Just go.
He's not picking my calls. He promised to send for me later.
Why is she so desperate about this? She's been calling my phone for over 1 hour now. Why? God, please save me from this. She's still calling. Go ahead and call. I'm going to take it.
Could it be that he has slept? Or is he ignoring my calls? Oh my goodness. Wendy! God, why am I doing this? Why? Oh, Wendy!
Ugo, this girl couldn't sleep last night. She kept calling my phone till 1 a.m. And when I was forced to pick the call, I noticed that she was crying on the phone.
Crying?
Yes.
Why was she crying?
Ugo, she was saying, please don't break my heart. I love you so much. I will do anything for you. My guy, I was speechless. What's so funny?
Do you know
it's not
why?
Funny, oh.
Wait, do you know why I'm laughing?
Why?
Was she not the same girl that always force you to wash her clothes and iron them.
Ugo, please advise me on what to do.
Very simple. Run for your life. Make her understand that you are only but a servant in her father's house.
What if
and don't allow her to enter your room again?
Ugo, this girl is desperate. What if she didn't listen to me?
Avoid her. Run for your life. One also isi ka ọ ga-adagwa na egbu ya. Ọkwụrụ agwa mmadụ ọ nalie. One run for your life. That girl ga-etinye gị na nsogbu. O ga-etinye gị na nsogbu. I don't talk my own. I've said my own. Run for your life. Run for your life.
I don't know what to do.
Hey, on that shall never end.
Okay. Your father asked me to wash his car, but the driver went out with the PA.
Are you ignoring me? Don't you understand that I love you?
Oh, Wendy.
I want to be with you. Am I not beautiful?
Wendy, you are beautiful. You're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Okay? I do not hate you. Okay? But I cannot do this.
Why?
Please, considering the fact I am a servant in your father's house.
You are not a servant. You're just a victim of circumstances. So don't you understand that I want you?
Wendy, wait. Please, I cannot do this. Okay? I cannot take this kind of risk in your father's house. Please. Oh. Wendy, wait, stop this. Stop it.
Does he think he is? Who does he think he is to insult me? I am going to make him pay for this. I swear.
It's like my wife has gone to see her people. Does it mean there is no one in the house? Chioma must be in the house. But where could she be? allow me to do it, I will give you huge amount of money.
Uncle, what are you talking about?
Allow me to do it with you, please.
Uncle, you want to sleep with me? Uncle, why? Why? Uncle, I'm your daughter. I'm your daughter. Why do you want to do this to me? Why? Uncle, is that why you've been buying gifts for me? Is that why you've been buying gifts for me?
Jim, please forgive me. Oh, please forgive me. I'm so ashamed of myself. I don't know why I allowed Satan to take advantage of me. Please. It's my wife that caused it. She has been denying me sex. This is 1 month I've not had sex. All because I refused to chase you and your brother out of my house. I'm afraid to go outside because I don't want to contact disease. Please. Please, let nobody hear it, please. Please, let it just be between us. Oh, she because oh, Biko. Oh, please. She because Biko. Giving myself the greatest humiliation one can ever imagine. I don't really know what came over me. Elizabeth must pay for this. I will never forgive her.
Darling, what is it? Are you alright? Is there a problem?
Good afternoon, Dad.
Daddy, I'm greeting you now.
What is good about your greetings that will not let me be? Eh?
Is it now a crime for me to greet you? Daddy, what's wrong with me greeting you?
So they have had your greetings. Now let me be.
I don't know why you are angry this evening, but I have something to tell you very important. I'll be needing some money tomorrow morning. You just left like that. My money is very important for me to spend. I have to follow this man up. Daddy, wait for me!
My daughter, I rejoice with you. Our whole family rejoice with you. For today, God has added a year, a beautiful, wonderful, excellent year into your life. And not only that, we celebrate you because of this beautiful, lovely admission you have had into a higher institution.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
And very soon, we shall have a pharmacist in our midst.
Oh, yes!
You're right.
Yes, baby.
So, we join you to thank God for the grace that He has placed upon you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Good.
Thank you. And your daddy has said it all.
Yes.
Let us join hands and wish her a happy birthday. Okay. And more fruitful years to my lovely daughter.
Yeah. Good.
So let's sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 I am +1 today. I am +1 today. I am +1. I am +1. I am +1 today.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!
Alright, okay.
Okay. Can I cut my cake now?
Sure, you're going to cut. No. I'm going to count to 5 for you to cut the cake.
Okay.
Dad,
Why don't you go with JESUS?
Oh, perfect.
That's the perfect
Wonderful.
one.
Yeah.
Good. Let's go.
Okay.
Now we go. J.
How was I supposed to know that I would not see him again? Even my mom went the same way. Look at me. Look at me. Today I'm a slave in another man's house.
You choose for me to cry.
Oh God. Even my uncle, a man I respected so much, has disappointed me.
What? What's this? So this guy has not cleaned my kitchen this morning. God will punish her if I go inside that room and she's still sleeping. Stupid. What's the meaning of this? I don't understand what Chema is doing now. In her mind now, playing with her. Could she have taken everything that belongs to her and dropped this silly note? Chema.
Has Daddy left for work?
Yes.
So, did he give you any lovely papers to keep for me? Did he give you money to keep for me?
He did not.
Daddy has started again. I am headed straight for his office. He must give me that money today. Whatever the outcome is, nobody should blame me for it. Just watch me. Anything that Daddy sees, let him collect it today.
Come. Did any of you see Chioma?
No. I've not seen her since morning. She should be in her room.
She's not there. I saw this in her room.
When did she leave?
You mean you did not see her leave?
I did not. Mommy, we need to verify from the gate man.
Mom, why bother yourself? We should be happy. At last, she has left. And your son would finally have peace of mind in his house.
Oh, Chidi, please! Stop saying that. We need to find out where she must have gone to.
Angela, go and look for her. Like daughter, like father. As far as I am concerned, she will never step foot into this house again.
You're right, son. Since she has decided to leave, she will never come back here again.
A sheep begot a sheep. A goat begot a goat. Mommy, I'm so proud.
What? What is it? Get out. Get out. Get out. Do not touch me.
Tina, that was what happened. I had no option than to leave the house.
This is serious. But why will a man behave like that?
I don't know.
Even if his wife denies of sex, does that mean he should come to you? His brother's daughter.
Tina, I have not been myself since yesterday. What if he had raped me? Maybe nobody could have believed me.
It's okay, but I'm so disappointed in that man. Have you told Cheta about this?
Oh God, I've not told him. I know my brother. If I tell him, it's going to destabilize him. It's going to distract him from his work. Why is all this happening to us? Why is all this happening?
It's okay.
Tina, please, I don't have anywhere else to go. I don't know if you can help me talk to your mother so I can stay here for a while. Please, I'm begging you. Please.
It's okay. I'll talk to my mom. Just get up, stop crying. Wipe your tears.
Thank you.
It's okay. Let's go inside so you can keep your bag. Stop crying now. It's okay.
Hello, Mom. Okay, you're on your way back. You'll be here in 10 minutes. Okay, Mom. Okay. Get something for me when you're coming on. Don't come empty-handed. Alright, love you, Mom. Okay. Ginika! Ginika! Where is this girl? Ginika!
Yes, come in.
Sir, Madam wants to see you. She's in her bedroom.
Which madam? I thought she went out. Was she back?
I don't know. Excuse me. Come in. Hello, baby boy.
I was told your mom called me.
Yeah. Well, I sent for you.
Do you have to invite me into your mother's room?
Well, if I had told you that I was the one calling you, you wouldn't have come. So, you know, you have been ignoring me. And I miss you.
See, you shouldn't have done that. It's wrong. This is your mother's room. You shouldn't have done that. Please, stop this, okay?
You can go anywhere.
What has come over you?
Nothing, I'm perfectly.
Stop this! Stop this! Hey! Stop! Hey!
No!
Stop it!
No!
Stop it!
What is going on? Mommy! Mommy! You tried to rape me.
That's not true. That's a lie. That's a lie,
Mommy! What do you mean? You told my parents. You threatened to kill me.
That's not true. Me? I didn't even know the colors of her pants. I didn't know the colors of her
I
pants.
need to close the door. He's going to run away.
She squeezed me. She rumbled me.
Shut up! You always lie this in my house.
No,
You want
no.
to rape me in my house.
Mom, it's not in my nature. Do that. Okay, let me tell you. I'm not even turned on. Okay. What's going on? Okay, just give me a chance to explain what happened.
Will you shut up your mouth? Explain what? Look, where they are going to keep you, nobody will be able to locate you. Criminal! Let me tell you, you are going to suffer for this criminal act. Officers, take him away! Move it!
I'm innocent too.
My friend, shut up!
Sir, your daughter has to come with us to the station, so you can be able to take them as statement.
No problem.
You bring her later.
Okay, Daddy.
Come for your statement.
Okay, Daddy.
Now, take-
Rapist!
Move!
You are a rapist!
No matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope.
I'm going anywhere until I see my brother, until I know his whereabouts. See, I'm sorry to inconvenience you, eh? Don't worry, you can go. I'll come back later.
What are you trying to say? You know it's not possible. I can't leave you here. I can't.
Choma, you can go. I'll come back later. Don't worry.
Please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
Sir, it's me, Cheta's sister. I was here the last time, remember?
Cheta's sister.
Yes, sir.
So what do you want?
Sir, I came to see my brother, but your gate man won't let me go in.
You came to see your brother?
Yes, sir.
Didn't he tell you that your brother is not at home? In fact, your brother attempted my daughter.
Yeah?
Yes. As we speak, he's in police custody.